Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your internet browser, tap on this avatar or profile icon, go to bookmarks and history, switch to history. So here you can see like the whole list of pages you visited. You just tap clear history, OK, and after that history will be emptied. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.